In a bustling town, there lived a young man named Rohan. Despite having big dreams, Rohan was often caught wasting time. He spent hours scrolling through his phone, watching pointless videos, and procrastinating. Every evening, he would tell himself, "Tomorrow, I'll start fresh." But tomorrow never came. One day, while wandering through the market, Rohan stumbled upon a small antique shop. A peculiar old clock caught his eye. It wasn't just any clock, it had a golden frame, and its ticking sound felt oddly rhythmic, almost like it was whispering a message. The shopkeeper, an elderly man with a wise smile, noticed Rohan's interest. "Shopkeeper, this isn't an ordinary clock. It has a story to tell. It once belonged to a great scholar who valued time more than anything else. Would you like to hear it?" Curious, Rohan nodded. The shopkeeper began. The scholar believed that time was the most precious gift. Unlike money or possessions, time could never be earned back. Every second that passed was gone forever. He paused, then added, "This clock doesn't just show the time, it reminds you of the time you've already lost." Rohan was intrigued and decided to buy the clock. He placed it on his desk, and every tick of the clock reminded him of the shopkeeper's words. But old habits die hard. Days passed, and Rohan found himself slipping back into his routine of procrastination. One evening, as he mindlessly scrolled through his phone, the clock suddenly stopped ticking. Startled, Rohan tried to fix it, but it wouldn't budge. Just then, a strange voice echoed from the clock, "You waste me, yet you fear losing me. I am time. Every second you waste is a piece of your life slipping away." The words hit Rohan like a bolt of lightning. He realized how much time he had thrown away, time that could have been spent learning, growing, or pursuing his dreams. Determined to change, Rohan set clear goals. He divided his day wisely, dedicating time to study, exercise, and work. He even allowed himself moments of rest, but without overindulgence. Gradually, he noticed a change. His productivity soared, his confidence grew, and opportunities that once seemed distant started knocking at his door. Months later, Rohan visited the old shop once again. The shopkeeper smiled, noticing the determination in his eyes. "Shopkeeper, the clock taught you well, didn't it?" Rohan nodded. "Yes, it reminded me that time waits for no one. Every second is a choice to grow or to waste, and I choose to grow." Moral of the story, new line. Time is a silent teacher. It shows us our priorities through the choices we make. So, don't waste your time waiting for the perfect moment. Make every moment perfect by giving it your best. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos like this, and share your thoughts.